technology trends. Today we are giving you a first look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And let me tell you, this could be Apple's most dramatic design in years. We have got new leaks on the A19 chip, a sleek new frame, and finally a real Periscope camera upgrade. Let's break it all down. Starting with the performance, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will reportedly be powered by the all-new A19 Bionic chip built on TSMC's second Gen 2nm process. That means better efficiency, improved AI processing, and potentially the best battery life we have seen in any iPhone yet. We are expected 8GB of RAM and storage options ranging up to 1TB again this year. Now let's talk design, and this is where things get bold. Rumors suggest Apple is moving toward a rounded back with a matte titanium finish, making the phone lighter and more comfortable in hand. Even more exciting, the bezels are expected to shrink even further, and we might get a standard punch hole front camera for the first time and DJing dynamic isoline altogether. And though this could still be a 2026 move, the biggest camera news: the Periscope zoom on both the Pro and the Pro Max models. The iPhone 15 Pro Max already had a 5x optical lens, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max could take it further with 6x or even 10x optical zoom, powered by advanced AI stabilization. Main and ultra-wide sensors are also getting upgrades for better low-light performance and improved smart HDR. With a more efficient A19 chip and a software optimization in iOS 19, we could see a noticeable improvement in battery life up to 1.5 days of moderate use. New iOS features are also expected to push AI-driven personalizations and deeper Siri integration, possibly setting the stage for on-device Apple Intelligence. As usual, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 lineup in September 2025, likely in the second week. Prices should start at $1,249 for the Pro Max model, with minor variations depending on your region and storage tier. So what do you think of Apple's bold new design directions? Are you excited for the Periscope zoom or A19 chip? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next big Apple updates. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.